Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. So today we are going to talk about GEOM RUG and GGPlot. Basically what this geometry is producing. Marks on X and Y axis in regards of your data. In order to show you that, I'm going to provide our data frame to our GGPlot function, and I'm going to create GEOM point, and I'm going to put the statics in here of X and Y. And if we run this code, and now you see that every point represents cross-section of value on X-axis and value on Y-axis. And with GEOM RUG we are actually going to mark those positions. I'm going to create GEOM RUG function like this, and at first I'm not going to provide any optional argument. I'm just going to run this code. And I just realized that we have too many values for this example to look simple. So I'm going to change this to 20. Run this code again. Okay, this is much better. So now you actually can see that for every point we have mark on Y-axis and mark on X-axis. And now I'm going to provide few more arguments to our GEOM RUG function in order to change the look of our plot. So first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to make some space, and let's say line type, let's be 3 is fine, it's dotted line. Then sides, with sides we are going to provide letters, T for top, L for left, R for right, and B for bottom. So in this case we are going to get these markings all around. Next argument, I'm going to provide length, and for this we are going to provide unit function of, let's say, 1.5, and unit is going to be millimeter, and let's color it in red. And finally, line width is going to be 0.4, like this. Save it, run it. So they are almost invisible. I'm going to tweak these values. Let's go with 2 millimeters and width 1.5. Run it again. Okay, this is so much better. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you have learned something interesting, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!